us?
Yep, that's what I'm doing. Rajan, Fiona, say hello in the caboose.
What's good, brother?
Hi.
I'm so happy. You have no idea.
Griffin, you are an absolute idiot for not joining in.
Cooper, smile.
I will forever think that whoever did it.
Troop 167 train ride. It's gonna be a train ride.
Griffin, you're my hero. Oh shit.
I wanted to like speed.
Yes. Yes.
Why is everything you ever wanted?
I have a beer and lemon.
Here, Jack, can you hold this and pass this to the other side of the window? Make sure to get Scott.
Woo! Oh hell yeah!
Still have the video going?
Cool. Say hi for the camera.
Oh yeah!
Cooper, high five. Hey Fiona, Raj. Rajan, look back and smile for the camera. What? Okay.
Bye, you're not allowed to be here. There's a sign.
Oh, that's where did I go? Well, boys, I think I lost them. Give me a second. Let's have a look at stock. All right, they're probably this way. So wait. Oh, that's them in there. I can hear them. Fiona? Hello? Alright, well, that was them. Probably still going that way. Alright. This is probably used for driving cattle. Note the wooden roof, the fences, the Texas stuff. A lot of Texas stuff. Thank you, Lily, that's a lot. Alright, so they went down this. I just pressed the power button. Oh, wait. There. They were down here. Went down that track. Ah, it was also the hog and sheep pens. Yep. Went through that right there. Alright, they might have turned around now. I guess I'll find them when I do. Just look out there. That's a sight. The blue skies of Texas. Oh, that's a random person. Alright, well. Alright, I see them. Alright, that's them over there.
You must be feeling pretty stupid right now. You missed out.
Oh my God.